Hi, I'm going to talk today about the converting manual windows to electric windows. I have this 1962 Imperial Coupe, which is fully manual, manual windows. So I decided to modify it to electric. So what we had to do, I didn't want to disturb the original manual mechanic system. So what I did, I just removed the handle, which was here. Instead of the handle, I installed a motor from inside. And this motor basically is it's Nissan window motor. Meanwhile, luckily, I had the original buttons of the Imperial, all the original buttons. So I didn't want to, I wanted to keep the original look, like the classic look of the interior. So I installed the buttons, the original buttons, with the new modern motor. But here, matching these two systems is very difficult. It's totally different system. I will explain it again in a while. Of course, even the vents is electric. Before it was fully manual. All the vents, vent windows, everything was manual. Seats was manual. I converted the seat to electric. All the windows became electric now. I will just explain how to make the matching between old system and new system. So what we have here is the original motor of the vehicle, and this is the old system, and this is the one which I used from Nissan, a new system or a new new technology. In the old technology, they used to give ground from the chassis to the motor, and like changing the direction of the window up and down by giving positive here or giving positive on the other side and taking the ground from here. So basically either you get positive here or positive here to move up and down. While in the new motors is totally different. In these two wires, you're actually changing polarity of the direction. Like for example, you're giving positive here, negative here, it goes up. Or give positive here, negative here, it goes down. So it has to be both polarities has to be changed, like changing the polarity. I was searching on the net, I couldn't find anything matching between the old system and new system, because here actually the switch which been designed, the buttons which designed to lift the window up and down is actually changing the polarities. That's why it's easy to use the original switches with this one. It will be easy. But because I wanted to keep the original switches from the old model with this motor, because I didn't want to change the design, that's why it was the difficulties to match between using this motor instead of that one with the old switches. So what I did, I came up with this circuit design. It's a simple circuit design made of two relays. Actually, these two relays, they will working in toggle, flipping the design, flipping the polarities from both sides. For example, this is going to be connected to the old switch here. So if you put positive here, on the other side it will give you positive, negative, and if you give positive here, on the other side the polarity will change, will give negative, positive. So this is what I came up with, a simple two relay connection which gonna work the matching between the old system and the new system. And this is the circuit diagram here. That's it for today. Hope to see you in the next video.